Hey guys, I'm back at the lake again. We are back at the lake. Today is Sunday. A lot of little birds real active above me. Check them out. But yeah, it's Sunday and weather-wise it's supposed to be overcast all day. Definitely going to get some thunderstorms. They're coming in over the Pennsylvania Valley, headed this way in a couple hours. So we got a few hours. We got a little small window before we got to get out of here. So we're going to try this little curly tail, triple ripple, and put that in the spot. If they're there, they're there. If they're not, you got to go find them. Get a little flip cast, which is a bad cast. And try that again. Something hit it. Not what we're looking for though. Whatever that was small. But what we're looking for is we'll thump it. Looks like they moved on. That's a fish though. It's a yellow perch. Good yellow. Not what we're looking for. That's a good one. Good yellow. Okay, let's continue making some more casts into that tree. Something just blew up to the left of me. Showed himself. He's not going nowhere. Trying to figure out where these crappies at. Where this rain's not coming. Gotta get my accurate cast on. Something just hit it again. Another yellow. Something got it. Let it go. I think I'm dealing with little fish, y'all. Perfect cast. Let it fall. You got it. Let it go. Let's get back on that flip cast. Something got it. It's crappie. Come on here, son. First crappie of the day. It's about my 5th or 6th cast. We're doing good. Hopefully we can get a few before we have to get out of here. Okay guys, I got that tube bait on there. I'm gonna dip the tail in some of that chartreuse. I call it the hot sauce. Put it back where it belongs. You don't want to spill that. Just get back on them. I'm hearing raindrops hitting the treetops. I don't see anything on the water. Let's try over here at the edge of that bush. I don't think they're here. They're not thick like they were here the other day. Perfect cast. We're gonna have to find them. And I got the triple ripple back on there. We got a new spot. Gotta keep it moving. See if we can find them. I'm gonna cast it out a little further. Let this guy fall. Actually gotta fix it because they don't like it like that. Gotta rig it right. Look, I dropped it right there and caught a fish. Can you believe that? Dropped it right in his face. But I put it right. I know y'all saw that. Trying to put it in his face. I think he just had it. He got it. There you go. There you go. Come on here, son. Come on here. Don't you do that jumpy thing on me. Calm down. See if we can get a few out of here. Let me take my backpack off. Calm down. Like you've been hooked before. Got him on the minnow. Put him over there somewhere comfortable with his friend. See if we can get another one. Okay guys, I put on that tube bait. Raindrops are starting to hit my shoulders now. Cast it right out there. Okay guys, we made it to spot number 3. They're not here, we just turn around. I'm not going any further, it's raining today. I like to have on different type of lure. More of a search bait type of lure. I really need to put on a search bait. Something I can zero them in because this ain't working. Hey guys, I changed up the crankbait. I'm trying to find one that runs the right depth, right above the grass, or right in the fish's face. Let's go a little bluegill with it. It's not what we're looking for. But at least we know they're biting it. I hate dealing with trebles. Got a white perch to eat it too. He liked it. And keep him for dinner. If he calm down, you don't want to calm down. He's a good sized one. Look at this bass over here chasing bait fish. See if he want this. I don't think he saw it. I don't think he's seen it. But he in there chasing bait fish like it's nothing. He got him. I got him. I got him. Oh, and he came off. You saw that? I had him. And he came off. Wherever the fish is at. We gotta find him. Weather's clearing up. For the moment anyway. But this little guy. Not what we're looking for. Gotta keep moving. He's at my feet. And we're back in spot number 2. Brush pile spot. Gotta get up over that brush pile. Otherwise you're getting stuck. Definitely. No mercy on that brush pile. Let's try, but got 2 crappies out of here. One up and hooked before. Had a hole in his mouth. Definitely by me. Thought I found out where they moved at. And I'm catching them on the 2-inch minnow, paddle tail style. Cast it on the other side of the brush pile. Letting it float a couple seconds. And just reeling in real slow. Steady retrieve. He just hit it and left it alone. Got it. That. What the hell happened? He took my jig? No. They smacking the hell out of it though. They in there. I found them. It's not a glamorous spot, but we found them. They're eating paddle tail. You got to find out what they like, what they want today. We're gonna have to change up on these guys, eh? They're getting too smart on me now. So just hit it and let it go. Knew it was a crappie the way he hit it. Boom. I'm gonna have to put that trout worm on them, keep it suspended in their face. Something they don't understand. Maybe put a slide on there. There he is. Oh, he broke me. Didn't break me off. He didn't break me off, but he ate it. Guys, gonna try that 1/64 ounce jig head with the trout worm on it. This don't get him. I don't know what will. I'm loosen my drag on these suckers like to break you off. Drag is too loose. What the hell I got here? Little bluegill again. That drag is way too loose. We look for crappie. Where them crappie at? Thank you very much, aerial plane. Something got it. Big old slab. That trout worm. Come on here, son. Come on here. I can't lift you. Or can I? I'll lift you. Come on, calm down. Oops, something just had it. You got it. Let it go. Whatever it was, let it go. Got me ran. Tangled. They can't stand the slow fall of that. If I use a 1/32 ounce, that would be too fast of a fall. 1/64 ounce is perfect. It does all the work for you. All you gotta do is just feel for the bite, the thump. You got it. They can't stand it, bro. Gotta check that app. Got some nasty stuff coming. Something got it. Something had it. Something got it. Whew. Whistling bluegill, coming in like a tuna. He's an eater. Got my lure though. Somewhere you got my lure. He's an eater. Give me my jig back before it break me off, bro. I'm not in a good position here. Nice slap. Slab gill. Take him. Time to get out of here before we get soaked though. Trying to look for me a stringer. Got one. Little guy. Little guy. Coming down now, boy. Back by the tree. Ain't catching nothing. Get my second cast. Rain has stopped. Maybe I'll go back to the crappie spot. I found some more trout worm in the bag. Cast that out there and see how they like that. That's not where I want to be though. You got something there that gets you stuck. Drop it right there. Something got it. Another little guy. Not what we're looking for. Where your cousin at? I'm looking for your cousin. Your friend, your cousin. Your amigo. Something got it. Ooh, blowing up the situation over there. Still catching him. This little guy, I might let him go. You don't get relaxed. You don't relax, you're gonna go in the frying pan, buddy. Little guy. I'll let you know when he got it. He got it. He got it. Oh, he let it go. He got it again. Let it go. Got it again. Basically, I'm just playing with these guys because I can feel them. I'm gonna make a few more casts with this tube bait. Last one I got on me. See if they like that. Check that drag. Something hit it. Bluegill, crappie. What the hell I got here, son? Ooh, crappie. He didn't want that trout worm. He sucked out of this. He didn't want that trout worm, but he sucked the hell out of this. Look at it, down his throat. Come here, son. Don't you get off. Come here. Come here. Come on, camera, get right. You're gonna mess around and break me off. Good one. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the show. You know, I only had a few hours of fishing before the rain came. I decided to stick it out for you guys, and the sun has come back out. But it's time to go now. Time to go clean some fish. Yeah, we got about, something hit it real good. We got about 10 pounds of whole fish, so that means about 4 pounds of fillet. If you guys enjoyed the show, if you do, like, subscribe, hit that bell for the next video. They'll be coming. I'm gonna show y'all some new spots. So you guys, thanks for watching. Like I said, like, subscribe. See you on the next one.